In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an Outlook calendar invite to 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to share your Outlook calendar so someone else can receive an invitation to view it and stay in sync with your schedule. This works in Outlook on the web and is a clean way to give someone access without resending individual events one by one. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account, make sure you're using the account that holds the calendar you want to share, and always follow your organization's policies about sharing calendars, especially with people outside your company. Once you land on your Outlook home screen, switch to the calendar view. You'll find the calendar icon on the left side of the page. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the icons. This takes you into the full calendar experience. On the left, you'll see your list of calendars. Find the calendar you want to share, then select the three dots next to its name. Those three dots open the More Options menu for that specific calendar, which is where sharing controls live. Choose Sharing and Permissions. This panel is where you invite people and set what they can do with your calendar. It's designed to help you forward calendar access in a controlled way so the recipient gets a proper email invitation and can add your calendar to their view. In the box provided, type the email address of the person you want to share with. Outlook will try to auto-complete from your contacts, so double-check you've selected the correct address. Some organizations restrict sharing with external addresses. If you run into that, contact your admin or use a permitted email. Next, pick the permission level. Common choices include viewing only your free and busy times, viewing all event details, or having the ability to edit. Choose the least access necessary for the situation. For example, if they only need to see when you're available, free/busy is perfect. If they help manage your schedule, edit permissions may be appropriate. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook will send an invitation to the person you specified. They'll receive an email with a link to add your calendar. Once they accept, they'll see your calendar according to the permissions you set. If you ever need to change or stop sharing, return to the same sharing and permissions screen to adjust or remove access. That's it. You've successfully forwarded your Outlook calendar access, making collaboration smoother and scheduling faster.